Hi, I'm Blake Alexander. And a little bit about me. I'm 33 years old. I currently live in Topeka, Kansas. I have a wife named Hannah. We have a 2-year-old son named Brooks, and then we have another son on the way that should be here in about a month. As far as educational background goes, I graduated from Atchison County High School in Effingham, Kansas. After that, I went to Garden City Community College. I played football there for um, a year and a half, and then I went to Kansas State University where I graduated with a degree in elementary education. Right after college, I taught fourth grade for 3 years, and then that was back in Effingham, and then I moved to Topeka, and I've taught K through 5 PE for the last 5 years. So some personal goals in the next 1 to 5 years. I really just look forward to raising my kids, and just being a great dad. In the next 6 to 10 years, hopefully then we've saved up some more money. We'll try to be looking to move to a nicer house or trying to get out in the country, buy a little piece of land. And then beyond 10 years, just be to continue to watch my kids grow up and, do activities and sports and things like that. So professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years. I'll be done with my master's. I'm really looking just to gain experience from anybody that I can, from any administrators, and just keep learning. In the next 6 to 10 years, I really look forward to getting an assistant principal job or an athletic director job, and then moving into a principal role eventually. And then beyond 10 years, I just look forward to continuing my career in education and retiring as an educator. So why did I choose Fort Hays State University? At the time that I was choosing it, I have a co-teacher in my PE classes, and he had just finished his admin from Fort Hays State University, and he was just kind of explaining to me how it worked. And so I was like, oh, that's neat. You can do it all online. You're doing it at your own pace. So I thought that was neat. And then also, the cost. It costs a lot less than a lot of the schools around here. And I was really able just to do it all online. So that's really why I chose Fort Hays State. And then my initial expectations of the program, it was really just, to be able to kind of go at my own pace and take classes as I want to go. And that's, really how it's been. I'm been in it for a little while now. And I've really enjoyed it. And, I think just the way it's set up has been really, really easy for me to accomplish it with a really busy schedule with kids and coaching and teaching and everything like that. So, so far, so good. So that's my presentation. Thanks.